If this is it.
Oh, terribly sorry, John.
He's not putting any tide in, he's staying like this. Look, he's filming clowns at his boat. If someone steers it, I reckon we start pushing it that way.
I think we're pushing this way onto the tarmac.
The way you're pushing that is if you put that Merlot on.
You can get on. Right, wait until it's on the tarmac.
It's either got a brake on or in gear.
Right.
Can't be, that's neutral. I'm going to pretend it.
You can drive a Unibomb, you can't drive this.
I've got some glue in it. You might not want to have to start it or two have to put it in inboard brake.
That's worse. Brake. There's definitely a brake on this wheel. I've just pulled it off. Pull that one off, Chris.
Oh, that's fast! Can someone do a bit of steering though? Like left of it.
I'll steer.
It's a bit like that, isn't it? I mean,
Okay,
change your ball.
we need a steerer.
I'd like to, but it's money.
Hang on. Get Gabby up there.
Hold it well, stop. No.
Don't run her off.
Gabby, I think he's... Get on back, don't front back.
Well, too late now.
Here's our glamorous assistant.
What's that that's just dropped off?
It's a bit like blankety blank, isn't it? Tonight, stop, right? It's brake, Gabby. Just them two little punches on the side.
She's not going to need to brake. Oh, it is quick enough.
Right, put it in gear, like that.
Out away!
Can't see which way the wheel's pointing. Right, where are we going?
I'd go where them crop masters.
Left here.
Left now. Full on.
I'm doing all work here.
Towards the caravan to the right.
Behind. Yeah, left.
And one of our main sponsors is celebrating too. The Nottinghamshire group of the National British Tractor and Engine Club are in the George Newton and they've been going for 50 years. Go and congratulate them.